Hi and welcome to Blinkbid. Let's discuss taking your estimate into production. So once an approved estimate goes into production, the area is designed to manage your locked budget. From your dashboard, go ahead and click into My Jobs. Go ahead and click on a job that is still in your estimates. Click on the hamburger and click Start Production. Keep in mind, fees do not get transferred because it's not a part of your budget expense for the actual production. However, you can always add additional fees as overages. Each line item will have specific receipts associated to that unique line item. Now, there are two types of receipts. One, receipts in hand, and two, anticipated receipts. For example, my camera assistant, I'm anticipating I'm going to get their invoice, so I'm going to do the checkbox Anticipated Receipt. When you check an item to have an anticipated receipt, you'll notice the color is orange, and this is just your reminder to collect and make sure you've received that invoice. If the total amount of receipts as seen on the budget line is greater than what your budget has allowed, the line item will show in red. And if you desire and have a surplus budget within another line item, you can always transfer funds from one item to another. This is Blinkbid's way of helping you keep track of your budget to make it easier on you. In addition, you can also reclaim that transfer money by clicking on the adjustment again. If you have to add items to your budget, click on the item catalog and you'll be prompted to select if the item is approved overcharge or if it's just an unanticipated expense. An unanticipated expense can always be converted into an approved expense later. On a side note, there's a checkbox for studio inventory. Studio inventory is your own personal gear that you're collecting rent on for the project. The advantage of marking studio inventory is Blinkbid keeps track of the money that is profit, yet a potential buffer if needed. Now let's go to the hamburger dropdown. Here you're going to find various options for your production. For example, if you do need to get overcharges approved, click the Print Overcharges for approval and you can send that PDF to your client. As you can see, you can also print production sheets and other reports. Go ahead and click on those to get to know them better. The production feature is truly designed to help you keep track of your budget.